Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to download the Indeed Job Search app. Having the app on your device makes job searching more convenient, allowing you to apply for jobs and track your applications on the go. So, let's get started on how to download the Indeed Job Search app. Open the web browser of your choice and type in the search bar Indeed Job Search APK. Tap on the first search results and you will be redirected to a page where you can find the free APK download option. Simply tap on the free APK download button. The APK file will start downloading and after a few minutes it will be ready. Once the download is complete, tap on the install button. And that's how you can download the Indeed Job Search app on your device. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.